Hello guys, this is a quick video on how to fix a camera effect not working on Instagram. So, the first thing you're gonna try and do is go to the Play Store, type in Instagram, and then updating the app. So that should probably fix the problem, but if the effects are still not working, there is another way. You're gonna enter your menu, you're gonna go to the settings, you're gonna go to the search bar, you're gonna type Instagram, you're gonna go to the Instagram apps, and then you're gonna scroll down and go to this here option named the storage. Then you're gonna enter data. You're gonna see the data, sorry, not enter the data, and then you can do these two things which will help you. This is clear the data and clear cache. So when you do that, your effects will probably work again. So yeah, hope this video helped you. Subscribe for more useful tips.